So it's already 5:40 a.m. and we're ready to go outside because the tour bus gonna pick us up at 6 o'clock. So we will go now. See you.
Hi guys, welcome back to A&M. Today we're going to visit the Grand Canyon, which is considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. For this trip, we decided to join a tour from Vieta. This is the place where our tour bus will come and pick up us. The whole trip costs $159 per person and it includes both breakfast and lunch. Firstly, we are going to the original omelette house to have breakfast. This is the breakfast menu. Each person can order one.
You know, I always choose apple juice over orange juice.
Illegal to drink all the way up until 1969. You guys see over there? Those are rafting tours down there.
I can imagine too.
So before we go to the gift shop, we decided to
Search the Ike Shaped Mountain.
Yeah.
Because that's the reason why this place is called Ike Point.
yeah.
So we didn't take the skywall option because he's scared of height, and then we can't take our phone and stuff up there. So
There's no point.
yeah, there's no point
The
of
real
taking that
reason we're
one.
going up there is because we want to take a photo, and
Yeah.
the photo costs around $65. Now use our phone up there, so we don't want to pay $65. It's we don't need it, right?
Yeah.
So we'll be taking a photo here. I'm really afraid of height, and Arya here. You know, she's just. Chat. Wait, I help you. And go help her. Okay. Fortunately, there is no sesame ice cream, so we just eat other.
After that, we decided to look around the strip area. It is known for its concentration of resort hotels and casinos. The strip is one of the most popular and ironic tourist destinations in the world. Then we head to Shibuya, a Japanese hotpot buffet restaurant.
So you're sitting, literally sitting on the platform because
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Shabu Shabu place is really popular, so we need to queue
For about 30 minutes.
I kind of feel this as deja vu.
Yeah.
Actually, this place is very popular, so we need to queue for our seat.
Okay, good.
A few minutes later.
This buffet costs $26.99 per person. There is a variety of meat and seafood. We can also make the sauce on our own. Sushi, takoyaki, and others can be ordered, but they are not a part of the buffet. There are 5 different types of broths. We choose the original house.
So we are heading to our last destination of today. It's and where are we going?
Foundation.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.
And make sure to follow us on Instagram.